Hi there, my name is Josh Symes and I am the Shoresearch Cornwall Volunteer Coordinator. So my role is not only to help train up these new volunteers to go out and collect all this data, but to input it into our online recording system. All this data that we and our volunteers then collect over the years then helps designate new areas of protection for the marine environment, as not all rocky shore areas are provided with the protection that they do so certainly need. I got here by a couple of years ago deciding I wanted to study animal management at college, which is where I discovered that marine life is really cool. And this then led to the discovery that the rocky shore area is the best bit about it all. And by doing lots of different work experiences around that, I decided that was definitely the best answer, and that I should study even further and all the other associated life that comes with the marine environment at university level, which led me here to Cornwall College studying marine conservation. And it's here that I got exposed to programs like the Beach Rangers Academy and groups like Nuki Marine Group, which enhance that knowledge even further and made me want to get even better. And by doing that and testing myself, it's put me in the position where I can now go out with Shoresearch and see all the wonders that's on the Cornish rocky shores that I never myself would have been able to find, because they're always really small, but the small bits are always the best bits. My favourite animal is a difficult one. Like I said, I like the small animals because you have to really look hard for them. But I think the best animal I think that's really pretty that you can find in and around our shorelines with ease is the luminous green snake loxon anemone. This video demonstrates how bright green coloured they are. Sort of poisonous purple tips, poisonous looking. They're not actually poisonous. They're slightly venomous, but only to fish and small other animals, which makes it even cool because it's got harpoons at the end of each tentacle, which then hook on to its prey and just makes it helpless, which I find fascinating, that a creature that size has that much power. And they don't move really, they're just sat there waving around with harpoon fingers. Awesome animals. But I also do have a little soft spot in my heart for clingfish or Cornish suckers, because they're very, very cute and they're very, very talented at changing colours and adapting to the rock pool environment by clinging to the underside of the rocks and the smallest of gaps and slightly changing their colour to suit that as well. Very cool animals, but I think the anemones do top them just because they're awesome. They're just waving around. Cool. And that's me. Thank you very much.